Yo, what's up, man? Time right now is 8:07 a.m. Oh shit, 8:07 a.m. I was supposed to be a little bit earlier, but I had to go do something prior to me showing up here to trade. Yeah, so I'm a little bit late, like 7 minutes late to market, but that's okay. Yeah. So, also the trade that I missed yesterday, bro. That was an actual missed trade. I was an actual missed trade, right? I had talked to my mentor, and he was like, "Yo, that's an exact trade that I took." And the thing that confused me was that price tapped into my entry level before the 5 minute confirmation, right? So me seeing that, I'm like, you know what? I don't want to take the trade no more because it's kind of suspect, right? But or suspicious, right? But my mentor told me that yes, price did do that, right? But we had that 5 minute confirmation after, and after we had that 5 minute confirmation after, right? Price then gave you multiple more entries. So you could have entered when price tapped back into that 3 minute fair value gap, right? And you have to also realize we are also in a bullish trend, right? And we're also in the distribution part of the AMD, right? So there's multiple confluences to tell you that price wants to go higher, and you also have unmitigated the unmitigated 30 minute and the unmitigated 50 minute inverse fair value up above, telling that price wants to go higher. And you also have to realize that price also tapped into the 1 hour below, giving you an A plus read, telling you that price now wants to go higher because the rejection candle from the 1 hour fair value that got tapped into was a very very strong rejection wave, telling you price does not want to go lower. There was multiple confluences telling me that price wants to go higher, but I messed up because price had into the 3 minute fair value gap prior to the 5 minute confirmation. But the thing that I realized that since that has never happened to me before, and I know that usually when price like taps into the entry, it never comes back. Me seeing multiple tabs back into the entry fair value gap, that kind of made it a lot more suspicious, and that's why I didn't take the trade. But from I obviously learned from that situation, and I'm gonna come back today a lot better. And yo, today is this is our first time, or this is my first time ever showing up every single day for the whole week to trade. It's my first time ever. Still, my first time. But yeah, we're seeing improvements. See the goals that I set for myself for 2026 is definitely coming into fruition, and I know I'm gonna accomplish those goals. But I have to stay consistent, and I have to stay disciplined. Even if I feel lazy, even if I feel tired, I have to stay disciplined. I have to stay consistent. So yeah, right now I was in a rush to leave my house in the morning. I gotta go make my bed and stuff like that, clean up my room a little bit. But then, actually no, I'm gonna hop into the charts first. I'm gonna record everything, and then I'm gonna do that. But yeah, let's hop into the charts right now. Yeah. Is there anything to say? Anything else? Anything else? No, there isn't. Yeah, let's hop into the charts. Alright, so we have prelim today, but I'm not really worried about it too much, just prelim. But yeah, let's hop into the charts right now. First thing I'm seeing while hopping into the charts, straight consolidation. God dang, straight consolidation, bro. Jeez. But yeah, this is the trade. So remember, we are part of this is accumulation, this is the manipulation right here, this is the distribution, right? What messed me up was that prior to this 5 minute confirmation right here, prior to this where is it? This 5 minute where is it? Yeah, prior to this 5 minute fair value gap here getting disrespected, price tapped into the 3 minute fair value gap that was below, right? Which is my entry, right? I mean, seeing that, I'm like, oh dang, I guess I gotta take the trade, right? But then we had a 5 minute confirmation like right here, right? And then after that, we have multiple other entries after that, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 times to hop into the trade to target New York lunch high right here, or even this 15 minute right here, or even this 30 minute. Bro, my mentor held all the way to bro, my mentor held all the way to London high. because he knew that they were all these draws were in the same vicinity. Wait, now, wow. Wait, they were all in the same vicinity, right? So if they're all in the same vicinity, and you know that they're part of they're taking the train in a part of the distribution of the AMD, right? And you know that they're all in the same vicinity, you know, why not kill all the birds with one stone? Why not, right? Look, even this right here, what was it again? There was something here. Yeah, this swing high right here. I even took out this swing high. No, it's a 15-minute or a 5-minute intermediate high, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if it's a 15-minute. Yes, the 15-minute intermediate high. Price even took out the 15-minute intermediate high. And then what happened after that? Price reversed. Price took out all the liquidity that was above and then reversed. So me seeing that, I should have taken this trade easily. I didn't have to go for it 1-7, of course. I could have went for New York lunch high and called it a day, or even went for London high and called it a day. But the fact that I didn't, it kind of messed me up a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it messed me up a lot. But it's okay, because you live and you learn. You live and you learn. That's my fault. That's definitely my fault. I'm definitely gonna learn from it. I'm definitely gonna be taking notes on this. And I'm definitely gonna be getting better. But yeah, like even this right here. So this 1 hour getting tapped right here, right? This 1 hour getting tapped right here. Look at the rejection after that, right? And then look, we even got a A plus read. Where is it? A plus read right here. A plus read. These equals even got rated, bro. A plus read right there. Of course, I'm saying all these I'm seeing all these things hindsight, right? And like, I was okay. As long as I'm seeing it now, I'm gonna learn from it and just do better. But A plus rate right here, and after that, look, price tapped into the 1 hour, and price also tapped into the 30-minute as well, right? And look at this rejection link, and price even closes above it, right? Price closes above it, meaning price supposed to go higher, right? And then we have the 5-minute confirmation, right? And then we have price returning, right? And we're also in a bullish high time frame bias, right? We're also also have New York lunch high above. There's 30-minute, there's 15-minute inverse value at the London high, and this intermediate high right here. There's so much draws above higher, telling you price wants to go higher. But you live and you learn. You live and you learn. It's okay. So yeah, so it's happening in the charts right now. It's happening. Are we still bullish? Seems like we're still bullish. Right here. See the draw. Consolidation. Yeah, definitely consolidating. I wouldn't want to be trading these markets. I'm not gonna lie. We're definitely consolidating. Bullish 1 hour right here. Have a bearish 1 hour over here. We're being priced being sandwiched right now. 1 hour, hopefully the 30-minute. Price can maybe even go down here, tap into this intermediate high right here, give us an entry higher to continue the trend. I want to see what happens. I don't want to say something's gonna happen, like a force a trade or something like that, right? But yeah, use this 30 minutes. This price is gonna exit that 30-minute first. Double this 30-minute. Consolidation. Also consolidation on 1 hour as well. Yeah, and on the 30-minute. I don't know. 15-minute. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this consolidation range. wouldn't be ideal in the trend, but we do have these low below that price we may want to target. We could target it. Also have New York lunch low as well. I mean New York PM low as well. But there are draws below. Also draws high, so price will go anyway. But we're also still bullish, right? So the leaf fair value gap right here, University did this other data right here. So definitely bullish. Price will go after it, but we also have a 4-hour below here that price want to target as well, but it's still pretty low. So you just have to be reactive. I don't wanna force nothing, you know. I'm gonna be reactive and see what happens. But first off, though, I definitely need to wait for price to break out of this accumulation zone right now. That's the one thing I have to wait for. So I have to wait for that. That's the wait for that. It's really strong accumulation too. Really strong accumulation. Gotta wait for that. Yeah, I'm gonna go do my thing and I'm gonna come back. Yeah, let me just clean up real quick and come back. Yeah. Okay, so we have manipulation now. Yeah, manipulation outside of the range. Let's not 5-minute close first before anything. Werewolves, vampires, but I always lose sleep when I do. Price tap into this 5-minute. I'm gonna get it right here as well. We're going higher. I'm gonna fold a little bit. So this is definitely the manipulation light. Set my people free. Okay, definitely manipulation leg. And targeting Asia highs. I would need, okay, if I was to take a sell through the distribution leg, right? I would need like 5-minute confirmation because we do have the previous A high above, right? We do have previous A high above, right? We also do have Asia high above. So I'm also in a bullish trend, right? Bullish high time frame trend. So I would definitely need to see a 5-minute confirmation or something going lower for me to actually take this trade. So I want to see some type of 5-minute confirmation. Like if this 5-minute fair value gap right here got disrespected or something like that, then I would like to take that trade as well. But I don't know. So because we're still bullish, right? The price is still like this could definitely not be an A and B, right? And price will just do accumulation and manipulation and still go higher, right? So I would definitely want to see that 5-minute confirmation for me to take the trade. So. Right now is just fine. I think I'm gonna be waiting until 9:30 see your reaction. Because right now, we also have a mini AMD right here. I have a 3-minute and a one. Well, I'm gonna do 1 minute because the 1 minute's better. But we have a 1-minute AMD inside of a 15-minute AMD. 1-minute AMD inside a 15-minute AMD. So I think I'm gonna wait for if it does come. So what I'm gonna do right now is wait for 9:30 to get a volatility from the AM to complete the AMD. If we do have one, if price just keeps trading higher, then of course there probably isn't any AMD in here, but this definitely isn't an AMD model. But if we do get the distribution phase of the AMD before 9:30, then I'm gonna still take the trade. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. So. Alright, perfect. So now we have the manipulation part of the 1-minute AMD as well, and it's all going up to the upside. So that's a very good sign. A very, 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 very good sign. Very good sign. All good right now. Put me into price. So copy the trades. I don't want to get filled here. I don't want to get filled up here, but it happens. I think price is going to create a 3-minute very soon. We have multiple draws lower. That's mod. When I say that's mod, this trade right here is mod. This is mod. I am so surprised this didn't play out. When I say, what the fudge? Close, man. Oh my gosh. Bro, when I say this trade is mod, I'm so surprised this didn't play out. I am so surprised this didn't play out. I am so surprised. Like, I am beyond surprised, bro. Beyond, maybe that's why. I am beyond surprised this didn't play out. Beyond. That is crazy to me, bro. I am beyond surprised this did not play out. Beyond surprised. Wow, that is crazy. I am so surprised this didn't play out, bro. Wow, that's crazy. That's very crazy, bro. That's very, very crazy. I'm not gonna lie, although I'm trading outside the session, I may take this trade because we're finally having the distribution for don't go too low, please. But we're finally having the distribution for the high time frame AMD model. We're finally having it. having it in lunch as well. I like this, man. I don't think this is a bad trade at all. I like this a lot, bro. Like a lot. I really like this, man. I just don't want price to go. Please, just fail me, man. Please fail me, man. I would really want price to just fail me, bro. I have that 5-minute confirmation, the one I was looking for before, even the 15-minute confirmation as well. Look at where price is, bro. I just need price to please return, man. I need price to return. That's what I need right now. If I don't get that, it'll be very unfortunate, bro. Very unfortunate. I don't think we're gonna get a return. I don't think we're going to get a return, bro. I want price to return to the fair value gap so bad, but it's not returning, bro. Look how low we are, bro. Bro, if price has this 50-minute right here, this 50-minute fair value gap, I can't get into the trade no more, bro. I need price to cut back all the way up here, but look how low it is already. It's gonna cheat me, like it's gonna cheat me. Bro, I want price to return to the fair value gap so. This is some BS, bro. Oh man, we really couldn't get a 3-minute return, bro. Really, bro? You really couldn't get that return, bro? You're telling me you really couldn't get that return, bro? Bro, oh man, bro. Oh man, you really couldn't get that return, eh? Really couldn't get that return, eh? I hate how low prices at prices right now, bro. I hate it so much. I hate how low prices are right now. Okay, so I no longer want to be in this trade. The sell-off is really deep, and the chance of price returning are so low. So yeah, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna just come back for PM session and hope we get a trade still. But I was really hoping that price return. I hate that I didn't return. I hate so much that I didn't return. Like not for a fact, but it's very likely that price will cap into this 15-minute. I'm gonna get it right here. It's so likely. Like, oh, It happens to the best of us sometimes. It does. I said nothing else, nothing more. It happens to the best of us sometimes, bro. Oh my, oh my. It just happens to the best of us, bro. I'm not scared of werewolves. It happens to the best of us sometimes, bro. Yeah, it really does, still. It really does. So much draws lower too, bro. By that price left, I don't need that price. Don't care about me for real, but still, I don't need it. I'm on. I got this that it happens to us still. Okay. I just hope that, well, let's just observe to see if we get a trade for PM session.